Alright, so it was raining earlier, but now we got a little bit of work done. And now we're gonna go out and get some things we need to get done. We need to do laundry, so I'm gonna go do that. And we need some food, so we're gonna get that. So let's go get our laundry day, work day, food day, extravaganza. They're gonna be super exciting. I know you guys are pumped for it, so let's go. Restaurant called 4 Farm Burgers, and they're doing breakfast right now, but all the menus and everything's in Chinese, and our Chinese is very limited to the point of non-existent. That was a fun experience trying to figure out what we were ordering. So we got some food. It looks really good, I'm pretty sure, and I'm excited to eat because I need to eat, and I also need to take my meds for my foot. Fun old person stuff, you know. Oh, my birthday's in 8 days. Alright, but let's eat some good food. Alright, so Rachel's gonna hang out with the laundry, and I'm gonna go get Captain and take him out because he needs to go out. It's been a pretty productive day so far. Somewhat productive day so far. Getting laundry done, doing a little bit of work, got some really good food, letting Captain out. It's the small things on the to-do list that make you feel like you're accomplishing something. I've heard people argue that that's why you make your bed in the morning, so you have first thing you do when you wake up is accomplishing something. But we're gonna go get Captain and take him out. Captain back. Now I'm going to meet up with Rachel, finish our laundry, and then I'm going to come back here and get some more work done. Today is a work day and a chore day. I haven't really gone and explored that much, but just a little bit inside our life at the moment. Yeah, let's go do this. Laundry done, and now I'm back to go do more work. Are you excited you got laundry done?
Yeah, clean clothes are cool.
Only cool kids have clean clothes.
Well, the non-stinky ones, and I don't know if that's us.
Alright, back to do more work. Now we're going to be going to a park. Haley and Rachel are back there, and Rachel's fixing Haley's hair. Gonna go hang out at the park. We brought Captain. Everyone has all their stuff, and it's gonna be a fun time. I'm excited. Park's fun. That would be. here at the park, and we're climbing. I'm not even sure if we're supposed to climb on this thing. We can? Yeah, there's no sign that says we can't, so we are. A lot of people at the park today. Good Sunday for park going.
What?
Good Sunday for park going.
Yeah, it's nice.
Except it was like super blue skies earlier today, and now it's like kind of like overcast, which kind of stinks. But the pollution is not that bad today, which is really nice. We're gonna keep having a good time at the park, and yeah, having fun. We got 2 bags of fries. So welcome to cooking time. Now we gotta cook the meat. We're making sloppy joes, so we're gonna cook some meat up. Dice the onion and garlic. So let's see what happens.
I have mine.
How windy. So we're all super hungry, so we're just sneaking taste, eating cheese, waiting for the fries to get done, and then we'll be ready to eat sloppy joes. Hey guys, I just wanted to hop in here and say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for keep following this journey of ours. And if you go in the link, the description down below, there's links to all our social media. We also have a new blog up, and we also created a Patreon page. So if you would like to, please go check all that stuff out. It would really mean a lot to us for you guys just to hang out with us and become part of this community that we're trying to build and doing this. And yeah, I just want to say stay tuned for more stuff, and we're having more fun here in Taiwan, and see you guys next time. Bye.